Happy Monday. We are where are we today? We are on the plantation, but I am doing some window cleaning today. And I don't know if you've got a lot of panes, but if you do, they can literally be a pain. This is a good house to show what water-fed window cleaning is. A lot of our customers ask, hey, I got some tall windows, some difficult windows, a lot of panes. How do you clean these? Well, this is a purification system. In our trucks, each and every truck, we have two filters. It's reverse osmosis is the main filter. That takes out 90% of all the sediments and whatnot in your glass. And then the second is deionization. What that does is when we clean a window, we call this the mountain ridge. All the dirt from the brush and the water is scrubbed loose. And as it dries, you'll actually see this ridge. We call this the ridge, the mountain ridge. And if there's nothing above it that touches it, then it's going to dry spotless and perfect. I'll look over here. I just did these sets. Right here, you can see the window I haven't cleaned. I don't know if it'll show up or not. You can see the dirt. You can see, it's very hard to see dirt on a window on a camera. Perhaps you can see it. There's a big old drip. Maybe you can see it. But that's what we're looking for if there is any issues. But this is something that we can do. It is extremely beneficial for houses that have hundreds and hundreds of panes, because literally it would be pain if we did this with brush and squeegee. So I'll back up a little bit and you can see behind me. So you've got panes, 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 panes up there. And that's the nice thing. These poles, I have a 72-foot pole, so we can get about 7 stories from the ground. It's kind of impressive that we can do that without ladders, without lifts. But yeah, that's a really nice thing. And what else we got going on today? So we are again on Long Point Road. There's my truck, and then we've got truck number 2, and up in the distance truck number 3. It's kind of nice because all of these neighbors know each other and they all talk to each other, so we have a lot of repeat customers. I think we have 6 customers on this road. But I've got Morgan. She's doing some window cleaning. They just making a video. She's like, I don't want to be in the video. Morgan just started. She's our first girl ever. Window washer, pressure washer, and she's doing an excellent job. She's over there washing away. Say hi, Morgan. Like, don't put me on camera. And then we got Noah in the back. He just, you can see he just finished washing this house. And then always order of operation, we do windows last. So I'll show you traditional window cleaning. Now, traditional cleaning is brush and squeegee. It's the same physics. You take a brush with soap, you loosen the dirt, and then once it's loose, the squeegee comes down. Fake snakes. So let's see, where is Noah? Maybe he's back here, maybe he's not. There he is. So this is traditional window cleaning, where he brushed the window. And now, as you can see, he's doing what's called fanning, where you go up, over, down. And while this is very nice and efficient, imagine how it would look on the other house with about 1,000 panes. So again, it is much faster using water fed, but it's a tool. Like all tools, some tools work, some tools don't. But either way, if you need any window cleaning, we would love to help you. Give us a call. We are booked into June, depending on the size of the job. We're actually booked in July a lot now. This is our peak season. Spring and fall are crazy. Summer and winter are slow. So either way, we'll give a free quote. Give us a call. We'd love to get you on the schedule. You can get us on 904-849-5430, or you can call us there, or you can go on our website at glassandgrass.net. Hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.